My name is Ronaldo Valdez. I'm auditioning for the first KFC Filipino Colonel. You see the similarity? KFC. The line, please, the line.
Ako po si Leo Martinez ng Balayang, Batangas. Baka hindi maayos ang pagkakahawa ko na rin. Pwede rin gayaan. Yung mga gayaan. Stroke pa yan.
Pen Medina?
Your age?
Does it matter?
What role are you auditioning for?
Oh, I was told, Colonel.
Colonel of KFC po.
What? Hindi military? Hindi nilinaw sa akin. Sige. Oo, ako si Coronel! At hindi kami titigil hanggat hindi namin
Not military colonel, sir.
Wala naman chicken, walang drumstick.
Chalak mo.
Good! Good!
Magdalena!
Happy, Colonel.
Finger licking good. Yun, nakaw.
KFC. It's finger licking good.
Sir, less angry.
Was I angry?
Yes, sir.
I was angry.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
KFC. Finger licking good. Gayon.
It's finger licking good.
It's finger licking good.
Yeah!
You guys want some?
Okay na tayo? Okay na.